Cruise and Travel News, Monday, the 29th of June, 2026. Good morning, this is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel, bringing you today's Cruise and Travel News. Our top story comes from Royal Caribbean. Passengers on the Icon of the Seas experienced a delayed departure from PortMiami Saturday after engineers discovered issues with one of the ship's thrusters. Thrusters are essential for maneuvering, so Royal Caribbean delayed departure while repairs were completed. Fortunately, the 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise was able to continue after the issue was addressed. In Celebrity Cruises news, Celebrity Summit has made several itinerary changes for late 2026 sailings. The November 1 cruise will replace Key West with Cozumel, while the November 22 sailing swaps Costa Maya for Georgetown, Grand Cayman. The November 8 sailing has also been adjusted. Meanwhile, Norwegian Sun continues to battle propulsion issues. The ship has canceled another Baltic port call as repairs continue, the latest in a series of itinerary changes. Also from Royal Caribbean, the Serenade of the Seas is overbooked for its July 19 Alaska sailing. The cruise line is offering select guests incentives to voluntarily move to another sailing, a practice used when demand exceeds inventory. And finally, AIDA Cruises has announced AIDA and Friends, an exclusive concert at Hamburg's Elbphilharmonie on the 28th of October 2026. The concert is a thank you to its loyal guests and travel partners. That's today's Cruise and Travel News. For help planning your next cruise, river cruise, luxury vacation, or escorted tour, call Bruce, Melissa, or Jen at 800-462-6807 or visit www.lapofluxurytravel.com. No planning fees, Platinum Concierge Service, Trip Overwatch. Because ordinary isn't an option.